Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the thermostat on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we will need to remove the dishwasher from the cabinets. So first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the power. So either unplug it or locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuse. We'll also need to turn off and remove the inlet water supply, disconnect the drain, and allow ourselves enough slack that we can pull that dishwasher completely out of the cabinets. The last thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the two retaining straps at the top of the dishwasher that secure it to the bottom of your countertop. Now with the dishwasher removed from the cabinets, our next step will be to lay it on its side. So if there are any dishes inside of the dishwasher, they need to be removed, and you may also want to open the door up and remove the lower rack as well. And now we'll lay it on its side so that we can do the repair. Now with the dishwasher laying on its right side, we have the thermostat exposed up at the very top here. So our first step will be to remove the wires from the terminals on that thermostat. You may need a pair of needle nose pliers. Just grasp the terminals and pull them off. And then there is a single retaining screw and washer that secure that thermostat to the tub. So just remove that. Lift out the old thermostat and discard it. Now before we set that new thermostat into place, you'll note that there are 4 little legs on that thermostat. And that allows the flat edge of that retainer to sit in between those. So when we position it into the tub, we'll make sure that the terminals are facing side to side. We'll line up that screw and washer assembly with the hole. Just start to thread it in. And then make sure that tab fits in between the legs on that thermostat. The upper end of that tab should fit in between these 2 little notches on that tub support. That will ensure that that thermostat is pressed up firmly against the bottom of the tub so that it can sense the temperature accurately. Now once we've secured it, we just need to reattach the wire harness. Make sure both terminals are pressed on firmly. And now we're ready to stand the dishwasher back up. Now that we have the dishwasher pushed back into the cabinets, we can secure it to the bottom of our countertop. We'll reconnect the inlet water supply and the electrical supply, and our repair is complete.